What's the luckiest thing that has ever happened to you?
Anong pinakamaswerteng bagay ang nangyari sa'yo?
What is your most hated chore?
Ano ang pinakaayaw mong gawain sa bahay?
Who was your very first crush?
Sino ang pinakaunang hinangaan mo?
Do you believe in ghosts?
Naniniwala ka ba sa multo?
Are you a religious person?
Relihiyoso ka bang tao?
Are you also sad when I'm not around?
Malungkot ka rin ba kapag wala ako?
How often do you drink alcohol?
Gaano kadalas kang uminom ng alak?
Aren't you afraid of the dark?
Hindi ka ba takot sa dilim?
Would you recognize me when we grow old?
Makikilala mo kaya ako pagtanda natin?
How many times do you go to the market in a month?
Ilang beses kang mamalengke sa isang buwan?
Do you have phobia?
Meron ka bang phobia?
How do you budget the money for a month?
Paano mo pinagkakasya ang pera sa isang buwan?
Have you ever considered running away from home?
Naisip mo na din bang maglayas?
Are you happy being with me?
Masaya ka bang kasama ako?
Do you want to have kids one day?
Gusto mo bang magkaanak balang araw?
Out of all your family members, who are you closest to?
Sa miyembro ng iyong pamilya, kanino ka pinakamalapit?
What's the worst decision you've ever made?
Ano ang pinakamasamang desisyon na nagawa mo?
What's something you'd consider unforgivable?
Ano ang isang bagay na sa tingin mo ay hindi mapapatawad?
What is your greatest fear?
Ako ang pinakakinakatakutan mo.
What did you do when no one is around?
Anong ginagawa mo kapag walang ibang tao?
Do you believe in destiny?
Naniniwala ka ba sa tadhana?
Have you been bullied too?
Inapi ka ba rin ba?
How did your parents meet?
Paano nagkakilala ang mga magulang mo?
What did you dream about last night?
Anong napanaginipan mo kagabi?